world is waiting. Anticipation, who will be winning? Maybe Ronaldo will finally get some rest, or maybe Messi will add another star to his crest. In Canada, USA, and Mexico, that is the way. The party is coming, we've been living for this. I'm done waiting for World Cup 26. Who will be the best? Best in the world, baby. Who will be the best? Best in the world, baby. This turn